field, each holding steel and word. Not by blood, but oath and hand, by runes that all had heard. We spoke not loud, but clear and slow, the circle heard our call. This is no crown and no high throne, yet binds us more than all. Stone by stone it holds the land, word by word it builds the stand. No king, no law, just man to man. The thing commands where war begun. Raise the ace, the word is given, bound by oath, no forgiven. We stand in the judgment ring, tied by honor, the thing. No golden seal, no royal writ, just voices in the round. Each freeman cast his claim aloud, then silence marked the ground. The chieftains came, the farmers too, no lords above the line. The saga says where men debate, there speaks the Norse divine. One by one the hands are raised, truth or blade, the price is paid. In this hall of sky and stone, no man may judge alone. Raise the ace, the word is given, bound by oath, no fucking harm. We stand in the judgment ring, tied by honor, the thing. From Uppsala to the edge of ice, from fjord to forest glade, the thing stood firm in shifting time, where law and pact were made. No king could crush, no priest undo what free men forged in speech. And through this right the voice of all could even tyrants reach. Truth is cast like runes in sand, sworn by voice, not by command. And if the gods bear witness still, the thing bends fate to will. Raise the ace, the word is given, bound by oath, no fucking harm. We stand in the judgment ring, tied by honor, the thing. No temple ruled it, no crown controlled it. The thing was voice and blade and oath. From Iceland's plains to Swedish valleys, it stood where law and freedom both made chieftains kneel before the freemen, let bondmen speak their rightful cry. From Lagding in the Faroe Highlands to Gulading where tides run dry, women watched and widows argued, and slaves could buy their say with gold. Decisions made with stones in circle, each man equal, fierce or old. Alþingi born before parliaments, the world would follow what they wrote. Where axes clashed, but tongues held power, and right was won by vote. Stone by stone it holds the land, word by word it builds the stand. No king, no law, just man to man.